Welcome to Bayretail's feature video, where we showcase our latest developments, products, and services. Today, we're excited to introduce you to one of our most powerful product features, Bayretail Platform. Built natively on Salesforce, Bayretail seamlessly integrates and extends its capabilities to meet the unique needs of retailers. First up, let's talk about app branding. Bayretail allows you to tailor the platform to reflect your unique brand identity. Customize the interface, color schemes, and logos, ensuring a seamless brand experience for both your team and customers. Now, imagine managing multiple brands within a single application. With Bayretail, it's not just imagination, it's reality. Efficiently equip multiple brands through a single app. The app dynamically retrieves relevant branding settings, feature configurations, and data based on the logged-in user, streamlining operations and lowering maintenance costs. Take, for instance, a leading Spanish fashion and fragrance company. They faced the challenge of managing 3 distinct brands within their group. Bayretail stepped in and streamlined their operations, bringing all 3 brands together in one cohesive application. Lastly, let's explore our template builder. Communication is key in the retail world, and Bayretail empowers you to take control. Manage SMS, email, and WhatsApp templates with ease, ensuring consistent and engaging messaging across all customer touchpoints. Bayretail, where the power of Salesforce meets the tailored needs of retailers. Elevate your brand, manage multiple entities seamlessly, and craft compelling messages with our intuitive template builder. Experience the future of retail management with Bayretail today. Book a demo for you and for your team, or find out more features on our website at bayretail.io. We are looking forward to hear from you.